fastest and most effective ways to clean off and rinse off your boat after a hard day of fishing, especially in a saltwater environment where you get salt spray all over the boat, is to use our Starbrite Salt Off applicator, fill it with salt off, and then you can just hose off the boat and save your heavy duty scrubbing for the day after you're done hopefully cleaning all those fish you caught. First thing you want to do is just turn on the adapter, make sure that it's on mix, and you can spray down the entire boat, making sure to get all the metal parts, to get all the salt off of them. Just make sure you give it a good heavy coat, get your windlass, get your anchors, all your deck hardware. So at this point we've sprayed down the boat with the salt off mixture. We've allowed it to soak on there for about a minute, and now we're just going to rinse it off with fresh water. Just want to make sure to get all of it off of there. And that's the quick and easiest way to rinse down your boat after a hard day on the saltwater.